Kids usually enjoy playing inside the tent. In this video, we are going to see how to make a kids tent from the materials that are easily available at home. Hi, this is Preethi and let's get started. First, choose the place where you are going to place the tent. I have chosen this space. Now, for making a tent, all we need is a hairband and a pair of 7 feet long curtains. Do choose the light colored ones. Now fold it into a zigzag pattern and secure it with the hairband. Here I have a nail or the hook which is already drilled on the wall. Now hang them with the help of that hairband. Next, I have placed a quilt for my kids to sit. If you have a bed, you can also use the same. Finally, I have secured the quilt with a contrast bedspread. Further, you can also decorate it with few decor items. Here, I have placed 2 pillows, added few toys, balloons and also an LED light. That's it, our tent is now ready. My kids really enjoyed it. Do try this at home with your kids and let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, do give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.